I'm back, guys. My tablet had a freak out moment. I was going to finish the video off Makeup Part 2. The time was just going, but in the midst of that, my camera was actually funny. It wouldn't let me turn it off, pause, or anything. So I actually wound up just having to completely turn that video off. I'm gonna go dump these. I don't know what to do with these. I don't like eggs. Okay, I don't like eggs. That's with ketchup. I don't like eggs. I'll clean that up in a minute. Okay. So guys, after a few minutes of sewing, it finally is enough. Yeah, so I'm actually going to have to move the stool. Ow, the stool hit my finger. Ow! Hit the stool. Here are two tiny. How much book was that? Yeah, this is dirty. It's a bag or something. This tissue. I need this. Clean tissue. Don't drop it. Don't drop it. Yeah. Yeah, that's right. And we use this pan. Do you have any baking split though? No, we do not. So use olive oil. No, not olive oil. Veggie oil. Guys, I tend to make something at least 2 things a week, just because I'm a huge fan of baking. Me and my friend Meg, which actually you guys, I made a whole birthday video entitled to her. That was around a year ago. Her birthday's actually coming back up again. But me and her in gym class, we were talking about what we should do this time for her birthday. Because for the past 2 years, we've gone to Funland. I told her that we were going to veto chunky cheese because both our parents think it's disgusting. And so do we. We're not big fans of it. It's just, no. It's a, please not a lot. Alright, a little bit more. My school the past few days have been, like, absolutely the best. We had a field trip yesterday, which is actually my one of the vlog yesterday. And on the bus, but my mom wouldn't let me take my camera. And I've seen like 30 kids take pictures of the bus, even the adults, so I don't see why I couldn't. I was going to make a picture montage. Oh, and to all the military folks out there, I would have to say thank you for your service. I appreciate everything you've ever done for us into this day. Thank you all for your service. I go from a military family, so anytime I see someone in a uniform, I do that. And I will call someone out if they are faking. I will. Yeah, I don't like this. Yeah, this is crazy. I don't like this. Ah, then my hands are all greasy. That's gonna take time to get off. Okay. Well. I should take the mixer tool out. I just forgot that. Okay, so that's in there. I can stay there. Please don't fall. That's like the only problem with the tablet. It falls easily. If you guys want, I might be able to actually try DIYing a cake. It might not work out so well because I'm still mentioned as a kid, and I do not need my parents to watch me do this. We do have a smoke detector. Our kitchen one actually is out of batteries, so we don't have any batteries for it. But we have the hallway one, and that one's really strong as it is. Actually, every time you open the oven in my place, when we still had the kitchen one, it would turn on. And it literally would beep so loudly. It's that when they do in the nighttime, when I was asleep. My mom was baking something for a party the next day. It opened up, I heard the beep. I jumped out, and I grabbed my bathrobe. I quickly grabbed my robe, slipped on my slippers, and I literally was about to jump out my window. And I actually managed to do that. And I ran around the back of my house and opened the window. And I immediately opened the door and I go, "Mom, get out, fire!" And she turns to me and goes, "Oh, sorry, that's the oven." I look at her and I go, "You owe me a cake when I wake up." Where's the spatula? I use a spatula when it comes to Skyping because that just works out. And I also smooth this down with a spatula. Okay, and icing and everything on the shirt. I have to put this in the laundry room today anyway. Basically, because this is my dad's coat. My dad's shirt. Whoa, okay, I just about dropped the bowl. I actually was baking at the age of 5, so I'm actually really skilled at baking. I never actually have tried baking a pie by myself. I don't think I will. Pies just seem a little complicated to me. I tend to stick to baking brownies, cookies, and cakes. Like, if you guys send me any kind of recipe, and as long as it's not too hard, like, I can do cupcakes or fillings in them, I can. But if it has something to do with, like, me doing a bunch of steps, I more likely will not be able to do it. Because with one of my disabilities, it just makes it really hard for me to keep up with those things. And it's a little overwhelming sometimes, so I tend not to do it a lot. Like, I've been taking a break from YouTube for the past few weeks just because school has been a nightmare. I've had so many tests over the week, and we just got down to the first 9 weeks of my school, so it's starting to get on my nerves. So all my friends, even a few of my YouTube friends that I know of, I don't really do shoutouts on this channel. Unless you guys want to, I've been thinking of doing a giveaway, but I don't think I'll do that. First of all, because I don't think it's always that safe. So I more likely won't do that, but I will give shoutouts. I will do shoutouts. I don't care. I don't really care anything. I don't care. Just comment on anything in the comments below. I'll give this video a like or anything like that. And I will, and I'm not even kidding guys, I will give you a shout out. Just comment down below and I will give you a shout out. I tend to try to do this and okay. Wow. I'm not saying this to waste. I'm just gonna eat that later. Okay. Here's this. Ow! The stool just fell on my foot. I hate this thing. Don't scare me. Okay. I'm so mess over here. No. Ew! Okay, yeah, I'm gonna clean up the counter. In the trash can. Ew. I just about slid on something. Ugh. Okay, guys. Keep me from tripping over this thing. I'm gonna be standing on it. Because that's easy. Or maybe I have to just like scoot this over. It blinded itself out. Let's move that over. Okay, where's the oven mitt? I tend to use oven mitt so I put things in or out. It's just safe that way for me. Okay. Okay guys, I really want to know what my other hand glove is. I don't know. I don't think it's in there. Okay guys, here comes the tricky part. Normally I get my mom this, but she seems busy and I don't want to actually do anything. This might be funny to watch. Okay, I'm gonna close this up for a second. It might be funny to see how I do it, so I'm just gonna reset the camera over here. At a very safe distance from me. Are you guys able to see the oven? Yep, there you go. Okay. Yep. Okay guys, so here's what I do. I open this up. I use 2 oven mitts because that's safe. It is. I have more control over my right hand than I do my left, so I always use this. And I only have a right glove. Okay, so you know me, I just switch off the gloves at this point. Okay, there. I put this in the oven. I switch off gloves like every now and then. Helen goes in the end. Okay, this doesn't help. Done. Okay, so that one runs a small pan. I don't know. 28 to 34 minutes. That seems like a lot. cookie. Okay, I do like 29. Wait, no. 30, yeah, 30. I do 30. 30. No. Yep, and timer. That's 30 minutes. Now you guys get to be with me while I clean up my mess. This will only take a second. I'm eating that. That's a little bit left in there. Where's the top? Normally my messes, I never make too big of ones. Like, I think the most mess I've ever made was when we had an egg crack on the floor. My messes aren't really that big. I may just have to eat this and wipe down the counter. Move the icing. Okay. No, I need. Wow, there we go. My mom's always taught me you clean up after you bake. Just like one of my main rules for baking. You guys don't know my headphones are also over here. So I'm a little too lazy to move them. And I'm gonna try clean the counter. I was only over here. I only bake over here. My headphones are going everywhere. Okay, guys. If you want me to do any more of these videos, like funny videos, or anything like that, because whenever I bake, it tends to get kind of funny. Because, this is me. I will actually be showing you guys how I icing cakes afterwards, but I have to upload both these videos. So, bye!